Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a trick of the Google Sheet using which you can get the email address of the person who is making the change in the Google Sheet. And another feature of the script is that you can make the change in the color of the Google Sheet rows based on the person who has made the change in the Google Sheet. The script which I'm using is publicly available on my GitHub account, and you can check out the script. And if you have coding knowledge as well, you can make the changes in it according to your particular requirements. Because I'm trying to make this demo super easy, especially for the non-coders, so I won't be going into technical details of the coding. So the first thing you will have to do is you have to make the copy of the sheet by copying this URL, which I will be providing in my YouTube video description as well. So you just have to copy it out, paste it in your browser, and then you will have to click on make a copy, which will basically be making a Google Sheet copy, which I already have created. And this will also paste the Google Apps Script code behind the scene as well, so you don't have to do anything else for copying and pasting the code. So coming next, once you have made the copy, you will see two sheets. The first sheet contains the sheet where you can put anything in the starting column, but the last column should always be this edited by, where it will be putting the email address of the person who is making the change. So you can add as many columns before the last column edited by. And the second tab is of users, where you will be putting all the email address of the user who will be using this sheet, and also you will be adding the color which you want to highlight the rows of the Google Sheet. So in this case, for example, this is my account Hassam Ibn Said at gmail.com. This is given the color of red. So if I will be making any change in this sheet, it will be highlighting that row in red color. And if, for example, identifiers at gmail.com will be making a change, it will highlight that row in orange color. So that's how it will be working. But in order to set this up, you will have to follow few steps. So let's start with that. The first thing you will have to do is you have to go to this menu GSheets.com, and then you will have to authorize the script. These steps only have to be done for the first time, not every time you will be using the sheet, so no need to worry about that. So let me just quickly authorize the script by clicking on continue, and then I'll be clicking on my name and then clicking on the advanced, and lastly you will have to click here. And there is one more step, you will have to allow this as well, so let me do that. And the script is authorized now. So once it's authorized, the next step is to add the trigger. So let me add the trigger. So the trigger is successfully added. So that's it for this account. You don't have to do anything else for this particular account. Now let me just add any name, and you see once I made the change, it have populated my email address there. So that's for this particular account. Now there is more working to be done if you want it to be shared with other users as well. So for example, let me share it with my other account, and I'll just send it out. And I'll open up this sheet now with my other account, and if I'll be making any change in the sheet now, you will notice that it won't be populating my email address. And the reason for that is you will have to authorize the script for this account as well, and you will have to add the trigger as well. So let's do that. Now if once again I'll have to go to the GSheets.com and click on authorize script, and then click on continue, and the same process have to be done once again. So I'll just do that quickly now. And now this is authorized as well. Now I'll add the trigger, and that's good to go. So let's add something in this row, and you see now it have highlighted the row in orange color because this is another account. And now once again, if I go to my first account and let me add something else, it's giving the email address of my first account, and again the color is red. So that's it. I hope that this would help you in some of your projects. In case if you have any query, feel free to contact me on my email address at info@gsheets.com, or you can get in touch with me on my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye bye.